Along the eastern coast of China, where the Yellow Sea meets the rolling green hills of Shandong Province, lies Qingdao, a city that breathes salt air and speaks in the voice of waves and innovation. Famous for its red-roofed architecture, its world-class port, and of course its iconic beer, Qingdao is more than a coastal retreat. It is a powerhouse of trade, technology, culture, and international influence. Here, East meets West, history meets modernity, and the past flows seamlessly into a future filled with ambition. Let's take a journey through the story of Qingdao, from its colonial beginnings to its rising global status in the 21st century. Qingdao is one of China's leading economic powerhouses. With a GDP exceeding 1.5 trillion yuan, it ranks among the most economically advanced cities in northern China. At its core is the port of Qingdao, one of the world's top 10 busiest ports, handling over 600 million tons of cargo annually and connecting China to more than 180 countries. The city is a hub for industries like shipbuilding, electronics, machinery, automotive, household appliances, and petrochemicals. Qingdao is also home to Chinese tech giants like Haier, Hisense, and CRRC Qingdao Xifang, a world leader in high-speed rail manufacturing. In recent years, Qingdao has embraced the digital economy with major investments in artificial intelligence, marine technology, and smart manufacturing. The Qingdao West Coast New Area, a national-level economic zone, is driving innovation through marine biology, quantum technology, and financial services. Qingdao is a city of contrast, where German architecture coexists with futuristic skylines and tranquil beaches sit beside buzzing commercial centers. The iconic Zhangqiao Pier, May 4th Square, and the Qingdao Grand Theater reflect a blend of historic charm and modern design. Urban planning in Qingdao emphasizes harmony between nature, culture, and economy. Parks, public spaces, and waterfront developments are designed for both beauty and sustainability. The city's transportation network is world-class. Qingdao boasts multiple metro lines, a modern high-speed rail station, and a newly upgraded Qingdao Jiaodong International Airport, connecting it to major cities across Asia and beyond. Its coastal highways and seaport infrastructure make it a key pillar of China's maritime Silk Road. With a population of over 10 million, Qingdao is a melting pot of history, business, and seaside living. Its people are known for their warmth, resilience, and love of the ocean. Fishing, sailing, and seafood are central to local life. Culturally, Qingdao is vibrant. The city hosts the annual Qingdao International Beer Festival, often dubbed the Asian Oktoberfest, which draws millions of visitors. It's also home to numerous museums, music halls, film festivals, and a growing creative arts scene. Traditional Shandong culture mixes with cosmopolitan influences, creating a lifestyle that is both laid-back and forward-thinking. The local cuisine is famed for its seafood dishes, with clams, squid, and beer, pairing up to deliver unforgettable flavors. Qingdao is a key player in both national and international arenas. It is part of China's Belt and Road Initiative, serving as a strategic port for trade and diplomacy. In 2018, Qingdao hosted the Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO) Summit, showcasing its importance in regional politics and global dialogue. The city has also formed sister city relationships with over 40 cities around the world, strengthening ties in business, culture, and education. Its reputation as a gateway to Northeast Asia continues to grow, especially in sectors like marine research, environmental science, and global logistics. Qingdao represents a modern China that is open, connected, and confident on the world stage. Qingdao's future is being built on innovation, green energy, and marine technology. The city is investing heavily in the blue economy, exploring ocean farming, deep-sea robotics, and marine pharmaceuticals. Environmental sustainability is a top priority. Urban forests, green buildings, and renewable energy projects are transforming Qingdao into a model eco-city. The Qingdao Innovation Zone and various university research parks are nurturing the next generation of scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs. Education is also at the forefront, with partnerships between local institutions and top universities from around the world. Qingdao isn't just preparing for the future, it's helping to shape it. From its red-roofed skyline to its cutting-edge laboratories, Qingdao is a city that reflects China's journey, from colonial hardship to global leadership. Here, every wave tells a story, every street remembers its roots, and every plan is drawn with the future in mind. Qingdao is more than a coastal gem. It is a symbol of possibility, where heritage meets innovation, and where China meets the world. Whether you're drawn by its beauty, its industry, or its spirit, one thing is certain: Qingdao is a city that will stay with you long after you've left its shores.